Pleasant morning to my dear lovable students. Welcome to Max class. In this conversation, we are going to continuation of exercise 5.2. I am moving to question number 2 from exercise 5.2 subdivision 1. What we have to find out, find the equation of ellipse in each of the cases given below. So, one by one we can discuss. First subdivision 1, foci, isn't it? So, solution, the foci, consider for S, isn't it? S means plus or minus, otherwise first I will write foci means plus or minus 3 comma 0 and eccentricity E is equal to 1 by 2. Foci means what is the meaning? Consider S means positive 3 comma 0, S dash means negative 3 comma 0. Now foci we can consider another one letter, that is consider for C. C is equal to, what is the meaning? C is equal to, that is 3 is there, isn't it? So C is equal to 3 means definitely C consider for A, isn't it? Therefore A, actually instead of C we can write it A also, because already we know if you draw the ellipse diagram, opposite side positive A comma 0 in foci, S dash means negative A comma 0, that means C. C is equal to 3 means what is the meaning of C? AE. Already we know E is equal to, what is the value? 1 by 2. Therefore 1 by A into 1 by 2 is equal to 3 means A by 2 is equal to 3. Therefore A is equal to, value will be 6. Therefore A square means 6 into 6 36. Now I am moving to find out B square, because what is the meaning of equation of ellipse? X square by A square plus Y square by B square is equal to 1. Condition always A greater than B. So we can say A greater than B. Why? Because here given condition also Y axis will be 0. So we can say major axis along with X axis only. So next B square we need, isn't it? So how to find out the B square? B square means A square into 1 minus E square, isn't it? Now B square is equal to A square, we know 36 into 1 minus E square means 1 by 2, isn't it? 1 by 2 the whole square means we can write it 1 by 4. Therefore B square is equal to 36 into 1 into 4, 4. 4 minus 1 divided by 4. Again B square is equal to 36 into 4 minus 1, 3. 3 by 4. 36 and 4 cancel means 9 times. Therefore B square is equal to 9 3s are 27. So now we can apply. Check it there. Already I told you this is, what is the meaning? Major axis along with X axis. Okay. Along with X axis. Therefore X square by A square plus Y square by B square is equal to 1 means X square is equal to A square is equal to, what is the value? 36. So X square by 36 plus Y square by B square is equal to 27. 27 is equal to 1. This is answer for subdivision 1. Okay, I am moving to subdivision 2. Okay. Moving to subdivision 2, find foci 0 comma plus or minus 4 end points of major axis. End points of major axis means that is called vertices. Okay. So foci given condition, solution. So foci means already we know S 0 comma positive 4, S dash means 0 comma negative 4. Then vertices means we can say, vertices means what is the meaning? End point of major axis 0 comma plus or minus 5. So we can write it, vertices means A, isn't it? So A means 0 comma positive 5, then A dash means 0 comma negative 5. Now look at there, S means already we know, subdivision 1 also we have discussed, that is called C. C is equal to 4. But here major axis along with Y axis, because X axis will be 0, no? So condition also will be changed. Why? So greater than value of Y axis comparing the X value. Why? Major axis along with Y term. Okay. So C is equal to 4 means we can write it A is equal to 4. So A is equal to 4 means what is the meaning of vertices? 0 comma A, isn't it? So 0 comma A means we can say A is equal to 5. Therefore if you know the A value means just you can apply. So E into 5 equal to 4 means eccentricity E is equal to 4 by 5. After getting the E value, what is the meaning of A square? Is equal to 25, isn't it? So A square is over. Now we need B square. B square means formula. B square is equal to A square into 1 minus A square, isn't it? Therefore B square is equal to A square is equal to 25. 1 minus So the whole square means 16 divided by 25, isn't it? 16 divided by 25. Again, b square is equal to 25. 1 into 25 means 25 minus 16 divided by 25. Again, what we have to do? B square is equal to, we can cancel now, 25 cancel mean 25 minus 16 is equal to value will be 9. Therefore, equation of ellipse, major axis along with y axis, isn't it? So, major axis along y axis, x value will be 0. That's why along with the y axis means the condition. So, we have to show greater than value of y square by a square. Okay, x square by b square plus y square by a square is equal to 1. Therefore, answer x square by b square is equal to value will be 9 plus y square divided by a square is equal to value will be 25 is equal to 1. This is answer for subdivision true. Okay, I will continue subdivision third. Subdivision third, given condition length of latus rectum is equal to 8. Then eccentricity 3 by 5, major axis along with x axis. So, definitely we can say the tan x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So, now, length of latus rectum means already we know in ellipse true b square by a is equal to 8 means we can say true b square is equal to 8 into a 8. Again, true and 8 how many times? 4 times. Therefore, b square is equal to 4a. This is considered for equation number 1. Then eccentricity already we know E is equal to 3 by 5, isn't it? E is equal to 3 by 5. Therefore, b square is equal to, what is the meaning? B square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square, isn't it? Therefore, so b square is equal to, what is the meaning? 4a is equal to a square into 1 minus e value 3 by 5 means 9 by 25. Again, 4a is equal to a square into 25 minus 9 divided by 25. Again, 4a is equal to a square into 25 minus 9 is equal to 16 divided by 25. Now, 16 divided by 25 means a and square we can cancel. Therefore, 4 is equal to 16a divided by 25. So, 16a is equal to, cross multiply 25 into 4 means 100, isn't it? Therefore, a is equal to 100 divided by 16 means 25 divided by 4. Therefore, a is equal to 25 divided by 4 means we can say a square is equal to perfect square means 625, 4 square means 16. Now, substitute a is equal to, what is the value? A is equal to 25 4 in equation number 1. B square is equal to 4a, isn't it? Therefore, 4 into 25 by 4. Again, 4 cancel means b square is equal to 25. What is the main term? Major axis on x axis means the condition x square by a square means what is the value? 625 divided by 16 plus y square divided by 25 is equal to 1. Therefore, final answer 16x square divided by 625 plus y square divided by 25 is equal to 1. This is answer for subdivision third. We will continue the next subdivision. So, subdivision 4, length of latus rectum is equal to 4. Distance between foci is there. So, length of latus rectum means already we know true b square by a is equal to 4 means true b square is equal to 4a. Therefore, 2 and 4 cancel means 2 times. So, b square is equal to 2a. This is considered for equation number 1. Distance between means already we know foci. S dash is equal to 4 root 2. What is the meaning of S? AE comma 0 and negative side means negative AE. But therefore, add both side means 2 AE is equal to 4 root 2 means definitely 2 and 4 have how many times? 2 times. Therefore, AE is equal to 2 root 2. Squaring on both side means A square E square is equal to, so 2 into 2, if you remove the square means only 1 2 possible. Therefore, A square E square is equal to 8 will come. Now, B square formula already we know. B square is equal to, what is the meaning? b square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square. So b square means already we found true a, isn't it? Therefore, true a is equal to a square into 1 minus e square, isn't it? So e square means otherwise you can remove the bracket. If you remove the bracket means a square minus a square and e square. Now true a is equal to a square, e square already we know what is the value, 8 is there. So a square minus 8, isn't it? Therefore we can write it a square minus 8 plus 2a, bring out opposite side means minus 2a is equal to 0. Therefore just we have to modify the last line, a square minus 2a minus 8 is equal to 0. Sum product rule. So product means negative 8, sum means negative 2. Already I told you, if you have product negative sign means selected to one positive, one negative, but we should be write it in bigger number in negative side because some value we have negative. Therefore we can write in negative 4 comma positive 2. Look at that, negative 4 into 2 means negative 8, negative 4 plus 2 is equal to negative 2. Therefore we can write it a minus 4 and a plus 2 is equal to 0. Separate term, a minus 4 is equal to 0, then a plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to positive 2, second one a is equal to negative. Negative value is not possible. Therefore the final term for a is equal to 4 means a square is equal to 16. Now we can write it major axis along with the y axis mean definitely we can say denominator of x value will be small. Therefore x square by a square, sorry my dear, x square by b square will come. B square plus y square by a square is equal to 1. Check it there. A square is equal to 16. B square is equal to what is the value? Sorry my dear, didn't substitute. No, already we know. Put a is equal to 4. Put a is equal to 4 in equation number 1. Therefore b square is equal to 2 into 4. Therefore b square is equal to 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Now we can write it x square by 8 then plus y square by 16 is equal to 1. This is answer for subdivision 4. Okay, I will continue question number 3 from exercise 5.2. So question number 3, equation of hyperbola, isn't it? This is given below. I am moving to subdivision 1. 4k is there, isn't it? 4k means what is the meaning? Solution. Yes, we have to consider positive 2 comma 0. Yes dash means negative 2 comma 0. Yes means what is the meaning? C is equal to consider for AE, isn't it? So AE means we can say, otherwise simply we can write it. How to write it? Starting with S means C, isn't it? So C is equal to 2 mean what is the meaning of C? AE is equal to 2. Already we know E is equal to eccentricity 3 by 2. Therefore A into 3 by 2 is equal to 2 means 3a is equal to 2 into 2, 4. Therefore a is equal to 4 by 3. A is equal to 4 by 3 means a square is equal to 16 by 9. First one. Then second case, eccentricity. So b square is equal to a square into ellipse means 1 minus e square, but in hyperbola means e square minus 1. That is the difference. We have to be very careful. E square minus 1. Therefore so b square is equal to, you have to find out, a square is equal to already we know 16 by 9, then e is equal to, e square means 9 by 4 minus 1, again 16 by 9, 9 minus 1 into 4 means 4 by 4, again 16 by 9 into 9 minus 4 means 5 by 4, so 4 and 16 4 times, therefore b square is equal to 4 into 5 means 20 by 9, 20 by 9. Look at there, this is actually transfer axis, isn't it? But in ellipse we can write in major axis along with, if it example in ellipse plus or minus 2 comma 0 means simply we can say major axis along with x axis, y value will be 0. But here transfer axis means plus or minus 2 comma 0, y axis 0 means we have to consider x axis value will be 0. That's why we can write it directly. The what is the main term? Equation of hyperbola, x square by a square minus b square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. Therefore x square by, suppose plus or minus 0 comma some value means this is actually transfer axis means x value will be 0, y value means we can x square by b square minus y square by a square will come. But here simply we can say directly yx 0 means x term will be 0. So x square by a square minus y square by b square. So a square is equal to value will be 16 by 9, then minus y square divided by b square is equal to 20 by 9 is equal to 1. Therefore 9x square divided by 16 minus 9y square divided by 20 is equal to 1. Okay. This is subdivision 1. Okay. Moving to subdivision 2. Subdivision 2, center 2 comma 1, isn't it? One of the foci 8 comma 1 is there. Then corresponding directories also is there. So listen, center h comma k, isn't it? Center 2 comma 1, that is called h comma k. Then foci means yes, isn't it? S means 8 comma 1. Then directories x is equal to 4 means we can say a by e is equal to 4. Okay. Now distance formula, cs is equal to square root of 8 minus 2, isn't it? 8 minus 2 the whole square plus 1 minus 1 the whole square. Second term we can cancel it. Therefore cs is equal to 8 minus 2 means 6 square, isn't it? Therefore cs is equal to, we can write it 6 only. Cs means what is the meaning? AE is equal to 6. This is considered for equation number 1. Second condition, directories a by e is equal to 4. This is considered for equation number 2. So equation 1 into 2 means what will happen? Left hand side AE into a by e is equal to 6 into 4. Again EE cancel, then a square is equal to 6 into 4 means 24. The next condition, we need actually b square. B square means we can write it c square minus a square, isn't it? Therefore c square, isn't it? B square is equal to what is the value? So c square is equal to b square minus a square, no? So c square means already we know, isn't it? That is okay, no? 6 square is equal to 36, isn't it? 36 minus a square means value will be 24. Now b square is equal to 36 minus 24 means 12 will come. Then how to apply the equation of hyperbola? Look at there, center also y value will be 1. Foci means s term also y term will be 1. So y term will be same means definitely we can say transfer axis along with the x. So transfer axis along with x means definitely we can write it. So positive value of x square, isn't it? Therefore we can write it x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. Already we know center another one point. Therefore we can expand x minus h the whole square divided by a square minus y minus k the whole square divided by b square is equal to 1. H is equal to value will be true, k is equal to value will be 1. Therefore x minus true the whole square, a square is equal to 24, isn't it? Divided by 24 minus y minus 1 the whole square divided by b square is equal to 12. 12 is equal to 1. This is answer for subdivision 2. Okay. I will continue the last subdivision from question number 3rd. Subdivision 3rd, passing through point, isn't it? So passing through point 5 comma minus 2, length of transfer axis. So length of transfer axis along with x axis means condition along with x term will be positive. Therefore x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. Condition is there, length of 8 units is length of latus rectum means 2a is equal to 8 means 4 times. Therefore a is equal to 4 means a square is equal to 16. So just to apply the equation, passes through the points x square by a square minus y square by b square. The point 5 comma minus 2 means x value will be 5, y value will be negative 2. So 5 square means 25 divided by a square 16, isn't it? Minus y square is equal to, y square we know, minus 2 the whole square means positive 4, isn't it? So positive 4 divided by b square is equal to 1. Therefore negative 4 by b square is equal to plus 25 by 16, bring out opposite side means minus 25 by 16. Again minus 4 by b square is equal to 1 into 16 means 16 minus 25 by 16. Again negative 4 by b square is equal to 16 minus 25 means minus 9 divided by 16. Again minus minus cancel. Therefore 4 by b square is equal to 9 by 16 means 9b square is equal to 16 into 4 means 64. Therefore b square is equal to 64 by 9. The condition transverse axis along with x axis means x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. Therefore x square by a square is equal to value 16, isn't it? X square by 16 minus y square divided by b square means 64 divided by 9 is equal to 1. Therefore final answer x square by 16 minus 9 y square divided by 64 is equal to 1. This is answer for subdivision third. Okay. Question number 3, exercise 5.2, all the subdivision also over. I will continue question number 4 from exercise 5.2. So, question number 4, find vertex focus equation of directrix and length of lattice rectum of the following. One by one we have to discuss. Subdivision 1, this is actually parabola type. Simply we can say this is right side open parabola. Already we know right side open parabola means what is the meaning? Y square is equal to 4ax. So 4a is equal to 16 means what will happen? 4a is equal to 16 means a is equal to 16 by 4. Therefore a is equal to 4. After getting the a value, vertex means origin point. There is no different value. So simply we can say vertex means 0, 0, the first one. Second one, focus. Focus means already we know y square is equal to 4ax means we can write it a, 0. A, 0 means a is equal to what is the value? 4, 0. Focus. Then directrix means directrix. So directrix means opposite side. This positive a means x is equal to negative a. Therefore x is equal to negative 4 means x plus 4 is equal to 0. That is directrix. Simply we can say length of lattice rectum means 4a is equal to what is the value? That is 4a is equal to 16 will come. That is length of lattice rectum. Okay, I will continue subdivision 2. So subdivision 2, x square is equal to 24y. Simply we can say x square is equal to positive 4ay. So positive 4ay means 4a is equal to 24 means a is equal to 24 by 4. Therefore a value 6. Okay. After getting a value, vertex. Vertex means center. We can say 0, 0. Then type, this is what the type. So x square is equal to 4ay. X square is equal to positive term means this is actually open upward. Okay. What the type? Open upward. Okay. So open upward means after getting the vertex value, then focus. Foci. Simply we can say open upward means 0, a. So 0, a means 0, a value 6 is there. Then directrix. So directrix means y is equal to, there is positive a means we can write in negative a. Therefore y is equal to a value. Therefore y plus 6 is equal to 0. Then equation of directrix is over. Last one, length of lattice rectum. So length of lattice rectum 4a. So 4a is equal to 24. That's all. Okay. I'm moving to subdivision third. Subdivision third, look at there. This is y square is equal to negative 8x. This is considered for y square is equal to negative 4ax. Therefore negative 4a is equal to negative 8 means negative negative cancel. Therefore a is equal to 8 by 4 means, so a is equal to true. Then what the type? This is actually y square is equal to negative 4ax means left side open parabola. What is the type? Left side open. So left side open means simply we can say vertex origin 0, 0. Then after getting vertex, then focus, isn't it? So focus, look at there, focus means 0, 0, that is vertex. Focus means this is negative a, 0. Negative a, 0 means negative 2, 0. Then directrix, equation of directrix. So equation of directories. Equation of directories means already we have left side means negative sign. So simply we can say this is x term, isn't it? So x term means x is equal to negative a means positive. Therefore x is equal to a value will be true means x minus 2 is equal to 0. Final one, length of lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum is equal to 4a means 4a is equal to 8. That's all. This is answer. Okay. I will continue subdivision 4. So question number 4, subdivision 4. Okay, question number 4. This is important 5 mark sum. Okay, look at there. Solution. Given term x square minus 2x plus 8y plus 17 is equal to 0. So grouping x family one side. So x square minus 2x, y family plus 8y bring out opposite side means minus 8y, plus 17 bring out opposite side means minus 17. Again completing square form. So x minus half of 2 means 1 will come. So x minus 1 the whole square, then minus 1 square means 1 will come, is equal to minus 8y minus 17. Again x minus 1 the whole square minus 8y minus 17. Minus 1 bring out opposite side means positive 1. Again x minus 1 the whole square minus 8y minus 17 plus 1 means minus 16. Again x minus 1 the whole square minus 8 take common outside means y plus 2. Now we can consider, let x dash consider for x minus 1 as well as y dash consider for y plus 2. Therefore we can write it x is equal to x dash plus 1, then y is equal to y dash minus 2. So instead of x minus 1, take it x dash means x dash the whole square is equal to minus 8 into y dash. So now we can say this is what the type, x square is equal to negative 4ay. That is type, what the type, x square is equal to negative 4a means open downward, isn't it? Type open downward means definitely x square is equal to negative 4ay means negative 4a is equal to negative 8 means negative cancel. Therefore a is equal to 2. Now we can apply easy one tabular column. So first condition, refer to x dash and y dash. Refer x dash comma y dash. Then second column, refer to x comma y. Now what is the meaning of x? The x value x dash plus 1, x is equal to x dash plus 1, y is equal to y dash minus 2, y dash minus 2. Now the first one vertex, isn't it? Vertex means 0 comma 0. So x dash is equal to 0, y dash is equal to 0 means x is equal to 0 plus 1, then y is equal to 0 minus 2. Therefore vertex 1 comma minus 2, first one. Then second one, focus. Already we know open downward means definitely y side, isn't it? So y side. So y side means 0 comma negative a. 0 comma negative a means value will be negative 2. Look at there, x dash value will be 0 means x is equal to 0 plus 1, then y is equal to negative 2 and negative 2. Therefore 0 plus 1 means 1 will come. So 1 comma minus 2 means minus 4. That is focus. Third one, equation of directories. So directories means opposite sign. So negative a is there. So y is equal to positive a. Therefore y is equal to a is equal to what is the value? Positive 2. Now listen very carefully. So y term look at there, y is equal to y dash value will be 2 means 2 minus 2. Therefore directories y is equal to 0. Last one, length of lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum means always 4a is equal to 8, isn't it? So here also 8 will come. That's all. Okay. So important term. Okay. I will continue one of the last subdivision from question number 4. Moving to subdivision 5, question y square minus 4y minus 8x plus 12 Look at there, we have to grouping first y family and x family. Y square minus 4y is equal to minus 8x, bring out opposite side means positive 8x, plus 12 bring out opposite side means minus 12. Now completing square, half of 4 means y minus 2 the whole square minus 4 is equal to positive 8x negative 12. Again y minus 2 the whole square 8x negative 12, negative 4 bring out opposite side means positive 4. Again y minus 2 the whole square is equal to minus 12 plus 4 means minus 8. Again y minus 2 the whole square 8 into x minus 1. Now y square is equal to 4ay. So let y dash consider for y minus 2, then x dash consider for x minus 1. Therefore y is equal to y dash plus 2, then x is equal to x dash plus 1. Instead of y minus 2 we can take it y dash means y dash the whole square is equal to 8 into x dash. Now we can say this is what the type. So simply we can say that is called type right side open, isn't it? So right side open parabola. So right side open parabola means y square is equal to 4ax. Therefore 4a is equal to 8. Therefore a is equal to true will come. Now we can take it on tabular column. So tabular column, so refer to x dash comma y dash, then refer to x comma y. X comma y means what is the meaning? X dash is equal to x minus 1, then y dash is equal to, sorry, y is equal to y dash plus 2. So first one, x is equal to x dash plus 1, okay. X is equal to x dash plus 1, then y is equal to y dash plus 2. So first one vertex, isn't it? So vertex point 0 comma 0, x dash is equal to 0, y dash is equal to 0. So 0 plus 1 and y is equal to 0 plus 2. Therefore 1 comma true will come, isn't it? Vertex 1 comma true. Second point, focus. So focus means, what is the meaning of focus? Look at there, focus means, already we know y square is equal to 4a. Y square is equal to 4a means a comma 0. So a comma 0 means a is equal to true. So 2 comma 0. So x is equal to true means x is equal to 2 plus 1. Then y is equal to 0 plus 2. Now x is equal to 3, y is equal to true means focus 3 comma true. That's all. Now third one, equation of directories. So equation of directories, positive a means negative a. Therefore x is equal to negative a, isn't it? Therefore we can write it x is equal to negative a means x is equal to, sorry, x dash is equal to negative a. So x dash is equal to negative true will come. Therefore condition x is equal to negative 2 plus 1 means x is equal to minus 1. Therefore x plus 1 is equal to 0. The last condition, symbol length of lattice rectum, that is called 4a is equal to 8. That is 8. That's all. Okay. Question number 4, 5 subdivision also over. I will continue the next question. So question number 6. Prove that question. Okay, one of the important 3-mark question. The length of the lattice rectum of hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1 is proof 2b square by a. Look at there, solution. So first we have to write the equation of hyperbola. Equation of hyperbola, x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. So passing through foci, AE comma 0 means let L consider for AE comma y axis we don't know, that's why consider for y1 means substitute the main equation. What will happen? A square E square, instead of x1 we can take it AE, Instead of y, we can take it y1 means a square divided by a square minus y1 square divided by b square is equal to 1. So a square cancel. Therefore, e square minus y1 square divided by b square is equal to 1 means plus 1 bring out opposite side means minus 1. Minus term bring out opposite side means positive y1 square divided by b square. Already we know the focus b square is equal to a square into e square minus 1. Therefore, e square minus 1 is equal to b square divided by a square. Instead of e square minus 1, we can take it b square by a square means what will happen? B square divided by a square is equal to y1 square divided by b square. Again cross multiply means y1 square is equal to b power 4 divided by a square. Therefore, y1 is equal to plus or minus b square divided by a will come, isn't it? So, plus or minus. Therefore, already when let L is equal to, so y1 means we can take it, L means ae comma positive b square by a, then as well as L dash means positive ae comma negative b square by a. Now, length of lattice rectangle means add equation distance formula. Distance means negative value also positive means negative means positive. So, therefore, b square by a plus b square by a means L dash is equal to 2b square a. So, hence proved. That's all, okay. So, please listen my dear students. I hope you are satisfied in this session. If you have any doubt, please put in comment box. I am ready to clarify your doubts, okay. I will continue the next session. Bye bye.